lang naman na nakaban.
Avatar.
Ba't wala pa?
Yam na. Okay lang.
Tito Aaron daw kanina, kung verbal. Kasi, kung verbal. Hello po. Pasensya ka na, Bebe. Medyo maingay
Okay
yung
lang
place
po.
ba?
8, 9.
Ate Pia. Guys, pa-share naman ang love.
Hindi ako mag-end pala para 2 hours.
Pero sabi nila may replacement daw.
Ito nga yung parang
Opo, dapat may replacement. Kaya lang. May replacement po dapat. Kaya lang kasi, pinalayin na lang din ako. Policy 6 ka ba? Nag-request ka na. Last chance ng policy 6.
Hindi po.
Kuya, thank you for coming.
tahimik naman ang account na yun.
Wala ko.
Tahimik naman.
Guys, pigay na to ha. Okay,
Yan
pwede
yan
to.
pa ako. Yan pa ako sa kuya.
Thank you.
Maganda rin, no? Maganda rin.
Tinawanan ko talaga.
Pigay to ha.
Para sa 1-1. Sa 90. Kasi pinapupush na ni Mami Happy. Ano Dragon Ball?
Hindi ganun ka, ano.
Ano ko, baby?
Sana naman.
Ano naman?
Nanalo?
Ito, inattend ko na po.
Ano ba yan? Try what
Okay
you
na
did
Mami Happy. Nakakagabalong kasi sa part na.
yesterday.
Ito, di ako may
Try what you
titi
did
ko.
yesterday.
Kulang pa ako ng 1-1.
Try what you did yesterday. Ate Rose, nandito na po yung opponent ko. Siya na daw.
Apa, nandito na po.
Siya na daw ulit.
Nagpapa-match po kami dalawa. Yung Dragon Ball ulit. Malaki na yan.
Time na muna kasi pa.
Yung 500! Nanalo ng 500 dalo eh.
Magkano? 500.
500.
Pero talo pa rin siya.
Go BFF. Wala to BFF, walang tao dito sa live ko. Wala nagsusupport.
Pag maingay talaga ako, hindi ako namahalit, no? Okay, hindi na ako namahalit. I will not be loud. Nurse!
Buhay na ako na. Sef
Lakas
mo.
naman ni Kuya Luis.
Puro sexy pa naman ng kapatid ko dyan, Sef.
Uy, Dragon Ball ulit. Ang ingay-ingay kasi.
Nasaan yung remote na?
Lakas na. Ano player tama dito?
Bakit ka
Di ba okay na ako ng 80k?
maingay?
Ngayon, ang sabi niya ako kasi.
Angat maingay
Hindi ka sa
mo.
akin.
Ate Easy. Siguro, I need to go to my room. I'm going to my room again. Ate Easy, Justin Dave. Ay, narinig ko yung utot. Dave!
I-push mo na yan ng 20 player.
Piki to!
Ay, Dragon Bubble ulit. 1,000! Ay, baka!
Wala na naman. Wala na naman! Ang hanap! Ah! If it's If it's loose again, don't bubble dragon now. I'm hurting. I'm hurting. No bubble dragon. Thank you. I'm hurting. Thank you so much. Oh, nakita kita Moon. Nakita kita Moon. Peter, hindi ako malakas sa tinika. Shawi. Pinulo. Guys, OPK ah. At tinika. Nek. Bakit babawal ba ganun yung reaction? No, Luis, stop bubble dragon. I'm not banana. I'm very salty. I'm very salty. No, not anymore. Not anymore. Oh, naligo ako. Nag-ice pa nga ako. Look, I'm so sexy and I'm so gorgeous and I'm so beautiful. But I'm very, very salty. I'm very, very salty and I don't know why it's salty. I already did what I need to do. I already scratched my body, sing it by sing it. I already did everything and anything. But look at me. I'm so salty. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Luis. Amo. I did makeup. I did makeup and anything. Thank you. Don't bubble dragon anymore, okay? Don't bubble dragon anymore. Just other, not the bubble dragon. I hate bubble dragon so much. Oo, sabi ko, kilala mo yung kalaban ko. Sabi ko, kilala mo yung ka-opponent ko. Kasi nakita ko siya sa, followers mo. No, my soap is Kojic. That's why I hate the sun. My soap is Kojic. That's why I very hate the sun. Tayo, Shari. Thank you so much. Don't bubble dragon anymore. I'm begging you. Look at you. You're very lost. Ayan, Chino! Nakapunta ka, bebo ka! Nakapunta kayo.
One more? Ayan, one more daw.
One more! When you lost, I'm crying. Because it's 400. Mikey. Last one. If it lost, it's lost. Sayang. You know the sayang? It's sayang. Hoy, nagko-kojik ako, naghilod ako kanina. It's a waste. Yeah, it's a waste if it's lost. I know it's lost because always lost in me. You're always lost in me. See? See? Delta. See? Don't do it anymore. I'm crying. I'm crying now. It's a big loss. 399, 399, 399, 399. Hoy, ilan yon? 5 times of 399? Big.
Parang inis.
It's a big no. Not anymore. Not Bubble Dragon anymore. The 2K, oh, see? Sayang. Sayang, Luis. Yeah. So, don't... What's that? Thank you! Hi, Arjun! You can feel it? You can feel it? I'm not feel it. I don't feel it.
Ganon nga yung sinasabi.
Siya lang ba? Siya lang.
Bayoro na lang daw.
I told you. I already told you, but you don't believe me.
Galit yan, galit ba siya? Galit ba?
Mamaya, wait lang.
Gio. Ay, ibigay niya.
Mamaya, mami.
Huwag mo lang ako. Sige lang.
I'm crying now. Crying. I'm crying. But it's okay. Thank you so much. Ano? Laking talo na. Laking talo na. Tatay ba? Tatay ba? Yeah. Laking talo. Tatay Bart, nakahabol ka sa PK ko ah.
Nagalit na.
Hi Ash. Diba? Ayaw. Sayang. Hindi ko talaga alam kung makakaano ko sa quota ko. How much is my quota pa? For two. I need 4-2 to quota na. Ayan. Yeah, I'm very sorry. But it's okay. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you, Ate.
Thank you, bebe.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Luis. Thank you, Mikmik. Thank you, Carl. Winelo, Kay, Verde, HP, Chilo, Kisha, Tatay Bar. Thank you, everyone. I love you all. What you do? Thank you so much. Thank you, Ate. Ate Max. Thank you sa agency.
Look, pinagsak din yung ano yung ano mo, yung top 1 mo. Thank you. Thank you po. Grabe ba?
Thank you, thank
Thank
you.
you, Luis.
Bestie, nahuli ka naman. Nahuli ka naman, Bestie. Mahal mo ako, mahal mo ba ako? Nagtatanong ka sa akin, mahal mo ko. Ikaw, mahal mo ba ako? Si ate, ano pala ito?
Sorry po, kapag-ising ko lang.
Si ate stop pala ito. Ate stop, mahal mo din ba ako? Thank you so much for attending. Yan, si ano. Gala ng gala. Gala ng gala. Gumala ka na lang ng gumala. Thank you, Bestie.
Nag-overthink yan. Nakala na tayo. Kaya pa tayo malakas sa
Just a
kolon.
little bit it's amazing. But it's a real. Hoy, in-invite kita. In-invite kaya kita. I'm just a little girl lost in the moment. I'm so scared, but I don't show it. I can. Uy, nagganong ko. Nag-invite ako sa lahat.
Hirap ko pa nga mo. Nakakaloko. Ayan po. Thank you, bebe.
Yan, thank you, Pate. Bye-bye po.